Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, MS Excel is a spreadsheet software. We can create worksheets in the MS Excel and the worksheets which we create. We can edit those worksheets also. How it is to be done, that I am going to tell you today. So, let's start. First of all, in the desktop, there is one icon, Microsoft Excel. Double click on it. In this way, Microsoft Excel worksheet window, it will open in front of you. I have already one worksheet I have already created in the MS Excel. I am going to open that by clicking on File menu. Select the file which you want to open like this. In this way, this file it will be opened in front of you. Now you can see this worksheet, it has been opened in front of you. Now if you want to edit some data in this worksheet, how it is to be done. Suppose you want to select the data and after that you want to change its font color. It is to be changed from this font group. Under the home tab, font group is there. Select the font color from here. In this way you can change the font color. Same way here also we will change the font color. Now if you want to increase the font size of the text, then firstly you need to select the text like this. After that you can choose increase font size button. In this way you can increase the font size like this. As you can see in this worksheet, some text it is not appearing in this row. So for this we have to increase the column width. How it is to be done? By bringing our mouse pointer here, it will be changed into plus sign and now you just drag it like this. In this way you can see, now you are able to see the full text in this cell. Now I am going to tell you how can you increase or decrease the height of row, or how you can change the column width in the worksheet. So let's learn now how to set specific height and width for the selected rows and columns. First of all, I am telling you how you can select the height of any row. First select the row like this. After that you have to go in the cells group. Look, in the under the home tab there is one group. It is known as cells group. In the cells group you will go to format. Click on format option. First option you will see under it row height. Select it. By default it is coming this. If you want to change the row height, you can enter another value in it. After that click on OK button. So its row height it will be increased. Now I am telling you how you can auto fit row height. For that, again, go to cells group. In cells group, click on format option. This is auto fit row height selected. Now next one is how to change the column width. For changing the column width, you have to first go to this cell, select this column by clicking on it. Now go to format. In this you will find column width. By default it is showing this column width. If you want to increase the column width, here you can enter another value, means new value you can enter. I am entering this value. Click on OK button. So in this way you can see that column width it has been increased. So students, in this way you can increase the column width in your worksheet. Next option which I am telling you, in the format, this is auto fit column width. The auto fit column width option changes the height of a row and width of a column automatically to fit the contents in a cell. Like this. If I am clicking on it, automatically it is changing the height of a row and width of a column automatically to fit the contents in a cell. Students, if you want to make this worksheet more attractive, more beautiful, so for that just select the text like this, use fill color, select any color from it. After that select this text, choose fill color again and select another color. So in this way this worksheet it is looking more beautiful. Now I am telling you how can you delete any cell or row from it. Suppose you want to delete this row. So for that, firstly you need to select this row like this. After that, go to cells group. In cells group, choose delete option. If you want to delete any row, click on option delete sheet rows. That particular row which you have selected, it has been deleted now from this worksheet. If you want to cancel this command, on the top this is undo delete option, click on it. Once you will click on this button undo delete, automatically that row which you have deleted now it will be restored here. Same way, if you want to delete any cell, select the cell which you want to delete, click on delete cells option. This type of delete dialog box it will appear in front of you. Whichever the column you want to delete, then you have to choose entire column, click on OK button. So in this way the entire column it will be deleted from your worksheet. If by mistake it has been deleted, you can even cancel this delete option. So go to this button, click on undo delete option, delete button. In this way, you will get this column restored here in this worksheet. So today you have learned how you can do editing in MS Excel worksheet. So I hope you have learned all the steps properly. That's all for today. Thank you so much.